We're here at the Tsawwassen First Nation Farm School today, one of the two KPU farm schools within the Institute for Sustainable Food Systems. And we are going to show you how to make a bouquet using farm fresh cut flowers. So here on the table, we have a mix of focal flowers, accent flowers, and filler flowers, all of which will make up our bouquet. So for our focals today, we're really leaning on the sunflowers, zinnias, and snapdragons, which are kind of in a focal flower, you're looking for something that kind of stands on its own. It's usually a big single bloom. And for us, this is what's in season on the farm. And within the color palette, we're kind of looking for more of an autumnal vibe. And then our accents, we're looking to add texture, variety to the flowers seen, different colors, and just make the bouquet look more interesting. And then in our accents, we're looking to add some structure, some greenery, or sorry, in our fillers, some structure, some greenery to really fill out the bouquet and get it to size and provide that structure to fill in with those accent and focal flowers. So you can see I've laid out the flowers on the table by type, and that makes it really easy for me to just continually add flowers. So I started with, large focal sunflower, and then some of those fillers, so that amaranth and statice that we're using as filler. And then I'm just filling around that center structure to create a symmetrical bouquet. So continually adding more flowers until I get to the desired size. I'm making a large bouquet here. We make small, medium, and large bouquets on the farm for sale at farmers markets. And we really judge those by size of the bouquet. Many farms or florists will count the number of stems that go in a small, medium, or large bouquet and determine a certain price point and size based on that. But we really are going by size. So you can see I've finish the bouquet that's sufficient for a large size. Every single angle you see is nice and filled out. It's not one-sided. And now I'm cutting the stems to the desired length so that I can tie it up and wrap it up as a nice bouquet that's ready to go to market. So I've cut it with my pruning shears, and now I'm going to wrap the stems in a rubber band to contain them all. And then we're going to go on to wrapping. So having your pruning shears, your rubber bands ready, and then your craft paper to wrap the bouquet as the final product are really important when you're starting the bouquet process, just to be ready and be able to do it efficiently. So here's our craft paper. I'm folding the far corner back over onto itself, and then cutting that straight line with an X-Acto knife. And that's going to give me that triangle that I'll use as the bouquet wrap. Turning it over so the peak of the triangle is at the top, and then placing the bouquet within that so that the peak of the triangle is just a little bit overhanging the top of the bouquet. And then I'm folding the edges back onto themselves and stapling them together, creasing them back so that they're aligned with the wrap around the bouquet, and putting a top staple on it. And that's it. The bouquet is ready to go to market.